What if I told you there's a way to become a millionaire using AI in 2025? And no, it's not some clickbait fantasy. It's a repeatable, practical system. Something I'd do myself if I had to start from scratch right now. No team. No capital. Just time, focus, and AI. Interested? Because today, I'm going to lay out exactly what I do. Step by step. So you can steal the blueprint. And maybe build your first AI income stream faster than you think. Sound good? Let's go. But before we start, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Ready? Let's dive in. Blank, underscore, blank, here's the truth about AI in 2025. It's not about being the smartest. It's about being early where everyone else is sleeping. Most people are playing with tools. I'm building businesses with them. You can too. But first, you need the right mindset. Because AI isn't your business. It's your leverage. It's your amplifier. It makes everything you do 10 times faster, 10 times cheaper, and 10 times more scalable. But only if you use it with a clear plan. So here's how I do it. Blank, underscore, blank, step 1. Pick the right niche. Forget broad markets. Forget, make money online. In 2025, riches come from the micro niche. Solve a small, painful problem. For a small, specific group. That's how you win. The smaller the focus, the faster the growth. I'd look for a niche where people already spend money. Demand is high. Competition is low. And AI gives me an advantage. Example? AI-powered content for local businesses. Real estate agents. Dentists. Fitness coaches. Podcasters. All of them need content. Blank, underscore, blank, but they're too busy to make it. That's your entry point. Because AI can generate endless content. Fast. Cheap. And clients will happily pay for it. You just become the bridge. The person who connects their need to AI's capability. That's the business. Not fancy. Not risky. Just value. Blank, underscore, blank, step 2. Build authority, fast. Don't wait months for a following. Start posting AI demos. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pictory. Create short reels. Show people what AI can do in their niche. Hey, here's how AI makes 10 posts for your gym in 30 seconds. Here's how I turned your blog into 5 videos. That kind of content sells itself. Visibility creates trust. Trust brings clients. And clients bring cash flow. Blank, underscore, blank, step 3. Offer done for you services. Simple. Clear. Automated. Packages like 30 posts plus 4 short videos per month. Charge $300 to $1,000. Depending on how much you automate. Don't overthink it. They pay for time saved, not effort spent. AI does 80% of the work. You handle strategy, polish, and delivery. It's that easy. With 3 clients, you could hit $2,000 to $3,000 a month. With 10? You're at 5 figures. And scaling from there is just systems. Blank, underscore, blank, step 4. Automate delivery. Use tools like Zapier or Airtable. Connect everything. Client brief comes in. Prompts go out. Content comes back. Auto schedule. No manual mess. No burnout. That's how you scale without chaos. Blank, underscore, blank, Step 5. Reinvest profits. Don't blow your early money. Reinvest in tools, better automation, ads, branding, templates, and maybe hiring part-time help. Because your time is leverage too. The faster you build systems, the faster you grow. Blank_blank. Step 6. Layer income streams. Once you have clients, start teaching others. Create a mini course. Sell templates. Build affiliate partnerships. Stack passive income on top of service income. That's the Millionaire playbook. You start active. You scale passive. It's the AI flywheel. Blank_blank. Let's pause. If this is making sense, like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I drop new AI money making tools every week. And trust me, next week's one is wild. Blank_blank. Now, let's get tactical. What exact tools would I use in 2025? Here's the stack. For research and writing, ChatGPT or Claude. For visuals, Midjourney or Leonardo AI. For video, Pictory AI. For voiceovers, 11 Labs or Play.ht. For automation, Zapier. For client management, Notion or Trello. That's the base. But there's one more tool, the one that made me $100. And I'll reveal that in a second. Blank_blank. Let's say you create one long script. That script could become 10 short videos, 10 carousels, 10 captions. That's 30 assets from one idea. I call it the content multiplier. It's how you outwork your competition without working harder. I handles the heavy lifting. You handle the packaging. And that's where the profit lives. Blank_blank. The tool that made me $100? A micro-content generator. Feed it one piece of long-form content. It spits out 20 short videos automatically. Captions, titles, hashtags, done. Clients pay you for that system. You don't sell your time. You sell the engine. And you own it. That's leverage. And leverage builds millionaires. Blank_blank. So here's how I'd start tomorrow. Pick a niche. Build 3 sample projects. Post them on social media. Offer 1 free trial client. Prove value. Close the next 4 clients. Build systems. Automate. Then expand. That's it. Simple doesn't mean easy. But it's possible. And this year, it's wide open. Blank_blank. Because most people are still just experimenting. You'll be executing. And that's the difference. The people who take action now are the ones everyone else will watch later. I is the great equalizer. It rewards creativity and speed. You don't need permission. You don't need funding. You just need clarity. And that's what you have right now. Blank_blank. So here's the quick recap. Pick a niche. Use AI as leverage. Build authority through demos. Offer done-for-you packages. Automate your workflow. Reinvest profits. Scale with education and systems. Repeat. That's the framework. The exact one I'd use to hit my first million with AI in 2025. Blank_blank. And remember, it's not about mastering every tool. It's about mastering the system that makes tools work together. You don't need 50 platforms. You need 5 that talk to each other. Efficiency beats complexity. Every single time. blank, underscore, blank. Want to know what separates the ones who win from the ones who quit? Consistency. Not intelligence. Not connections. Just showing up daily and iterating. Build, test, tweak, grow. Repeat. That's how compound growth works. Blank, underscore, blank. By month 3, you'll have a portfolio. By month 6, referrals. By month 12, you could easily cross 6 figures. And from there, scaling is math. More clients. More automation. More leverage. Blank, underscore, blank. That's my blueprint. That's what I do. No hype. No guesswork. Just execution. If you start today, you'll thank yourself 6 months from now. If you wait, you wish you started now. Blank, underscore, blank. So here's your challenge. Don't just watch. Pick your niche today. Build one demo. Post it. That's your first step to momentum. And momentum beats motivation. Blank, underscore, blank. I want to see your results. Comment your AI niche below. I read every single one. And I'll help you refine your idea. Blank, underscore, blank. Before we wrap up, let's make sure you don't miss what's coming next. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. I'll reveal a system I've never shared before. You won't want to miss it. Blank, underscore, blank. And hey, if you found value in this, hit that subscribe button. Smash the bell icon. Because I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And I want you ahead of the curve. No noise. Just results. Blank, underscore, blank. Remember, the opportunity is right now. The tools are free. The barrier is gone. The only thing missing is your action. Let's make 2025 the year you build your first AI million.